You ever pull up a stock on your phone and just stare at it? It feels like you're trying to crack a secret code with all those numbers and percentages. Well, let's break this thing down because once you know what you're looking for, it's not a code at all. It's actually a story, right? You open an app and you're just hit with this. It's a total wall of data. It's so easy for your eyes to just glaze over. And that's completely normal. But I promise you, by the end of this, you'll be able to look at this and know exactly what's going on. You know, the trick to understanding all this is realizing that not all these numbers are talking about the same thing. They're actually grouped together to tell two totally different narratives about the very same company. And which story you choose to listen to, well, that really depends on your goal. See, on one side, you have the story of today. That's the fast-paced, what's happening right now action. That's the world of a trader. And on the other side, you've got the story of the decade. The slow, steady narrative about the company's real health and its long-term value. That's an investor's turf. So let's break down that first one. Okay, so let's put on our trader hat for a minute. If you're thinking like a trader, you are all about the immediate future. We're talking hours, maybe a couple of days at most. You're trying to catch those short-term price swings, and honestly, only a few numbers on this whole screen are going to matter to you. The very first thing your eyes jump to is usually this one, the daily change. Think of it like the market's mood ring for this specific stock. It's simply telling you how much the price has moved up or down since the market opened this morning. It's the instant pulse check. And in this case, a jump of over 2% is a pretty strong signal. It's telling a trader that for today anyway, the buyers are in charge. There's a ton of positive energy or momentum pushing that price up. It's a big green light for some short-term optimism. But here's the next question a trader asks. Is that price move for real, or is it just some random fluke? To figure that out, you immediately look at the volume. I love this analogy. If the price change is a vote, then the volume is how many people actually showed up to vote. And this is so crucial. A price change that happens on high volume is a much, much stronger signal. It means a whole lot of shares are changing hands, and that 2.36% jump is backed by real conviction from a lot of people. It's the difference between a whisper and a roar. A trader sees that high volume and thinks, okay, this trend is legit. All right, let's take that trader hat off and zoom out, way out. Forget about today. An investor is thinking about next year, 5 years from now, maybe even longer. They could not care less about the daily mood swings. They care about the fundamental health and the real long-term value of the